Hello and welcome to ASTRO. My name is Dylan Bryant, and today is my first video, so I'm going to go into some detail on what exactly ASTRO is. ASTRO is majority a astrophotography YouTube channel, but I'm thinking we can have some KSB gameplay, as well as watching some launches and just space talk in general. I guess I would classify ASTRO as a space channel. But anyway, the reason I'm doing this video is because I've had a telescope for about 5 years now. Originally I had a Celestron Nexstar 5, and I had that for about 2 years until I upgraded to a Celestron AVX 8, which I got Christmas of 2019. I was starting to get into astrophotography, and what was it? Around March I ended up breaking the thing. And it was actually pretty bad because it was not the only thing that broke. My computer was starting to break down, the power cord died, so I was in a really bad position, and I had just started getting good at astrophotography. So for all these repairs to happen, it would have cost a lot of money, which I did not have. So I waited a few months, and I just got my telescope back, so that leads us back to now. So I decided to make this YouTube channel just to track my progress, I guess, through astrophotography, because, I forgot a lot of stuff, actually, since March, but I think I'm getting the hang of it. But anyway, tonight is my first night back of astro imaging, and we're going to be taking some pictures of Mars. Tonight is October 7th, and Mars is getting really close to Earth. It is actually going to be in opposition October 13th, which that means that Mars is going to be as close to Earth. So let's get out there.
Okay guys, so I just got out here, and I am using my NexImage 5 on my Celestron AVX 8. We are pointed directly at Mars right now, and I'm going to pull it up on my screen right now. Okay, so I'm pulling you guys on the screen right now. So we are aligned on Mars right now, and you can see it right there. We can see some detail in the soil, and you can even see the ice cap right in there. It needs a little bit more focusing. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And, I'm just going to readjust it to the center of the frame. Oops. Okay, so how this works is to take planetary images, you actually need to take a video. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to take a video of Mars. Hang on, let me just get this a little bit more centered. Okay, so we are going to start a recording. I'm just going to call it Mars 2020. And we're starting the recording right now. Now, this recording will be put into a post-processing software called Registax. Basically what the program does is, you see all that detail, the program helps get the majority of that detail out so we can see it. Right now it's kind of fuzzy just because of the camera, but the program gets rid of all that noise and stuff and pulls out a lot of detail within the planet. And so what I'm doing right now is, you want to try to get as long as a video as you can. So I usually do about 1 to 1.5 minutes, and that's exactly what we're going to do. And once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and put it into Registax just to show you guys how it works. And then I'm going to keep doing some videos over the next few hours, and then tomorrow we'll look at what we got. Okay, so I'm stopping the recording, and now we are going to go to Registax. So we're going to select the video file. Here we go, Mars 2020. Open. Okay, so now I'm going to set align points, which the software is choosing bright spots on the planet just to keep track of. And this is why. We're going to hit align. So if you guys could see in the video, the planet was moving side to side because, tracking isn't perfect. So what this program does is it follows those dots on those spots, and it will put the planet and all the frames in the same general location. So that's what it's doing right now. It's going through all the frames, figuring out where this planet has moved, because it came around over here, swayed back that way. So anyway, it's bringing all the frames together so we get the planet aligned on a single surface. And after that, we're going to stack it. And stacking is what gets rid of all the digital noise and other artifacts, which gives us a pretty image of the planet. Okay, so now all the frames are aligned, and by hitting limit, what it's going to do is it is going to get rid of all the really bad frames, so we are left with really just the good frames for stacking. So it's limiting it right now. Okay, so it's going to remove a few frames and help with some of the movement. But anyway, now we're going to stack. Now this is putting all the images together where we'll be able to pull out all the detail in just a few moments, which this process does take a little bit while. That's why I typically do it in the mornings. I just like to get all the images during the night. But I'm just so excited to see what Mars looks like. Okay, so we just got this blurry image of Mars, but what we're going to do is hit wavelength, and we're going to start dragging. As we slowly start dragging these over, you'll see a little detail come out. Pull a little bit more. Ooh, starting to look good. Does look like it has a little bit of noise on it, but I can adjust that a little bit, not too much. Okay, so this is as much detail I think we can get without pulling a lot of noise out. So we're going to hit RGB align, and this is just basically getting that, I don't know if you guys tell, but there's like blue and red all around it, and this just eliminates that, so we get a nice clean image. And okay, that's done. So you can see that that stuff's kind of out of the way. And now we're going to go to RGB balance, and this is where it gets a little interesting. You know, this doesn't really look like a natural color, so we can actually make this look a lot more natural. Hang on, I'm going to reset this. I haven't done this in a long time. Oh, there we go. You can hit auto balance, and it will help get some of that computer or that webcam color out of there. Okay, so that's a pretty decent picture of Mars. That's the best one I've ever gotten. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. Alright guys, we are back on Mars. So I think for the next few hours, I'm just going to take some videos, and then probably tomorrow morning we'll process them, because frankly I'm getting kind of tired. I just want to get these videos ready for tomorrow. So let's get started.
Okay, so I ended up getting done processing around 3 a.m. I'm not going to talk anymore through the video. I'm going to show the images in just a second. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you've not already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be trying to make a video every week or two, depending on weather and other factors. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next week, and here are the pictures.